Now, with so many motorcycle parks opening up around Australia, we thought we'd come and visit one of the best in Victoria, right here in Bacchus Marsh. It's called Ride Park. It's only 45 minutes from the Melbourne CBD and has 6 fabulous tracks. Now let's take a look at the 6 tracks that Ride Park have. First up being the Pee-wee track that's only $10 per rider. They have a kids motocross track that's only $25 per rider. And then they have an intermediate, the main track and a flat track that's $45 per rider. They also have a supercross track, but that's only for accredited supercross riders.
Come out to Ride Park because it's a pretty awesome track, and they do a really good job of prepping the track, and they got a good variety, and it's a bit of fun out here.
Ride Park's open from 9 till 5 every Saturday and Sunday. They have all the amenities here, a canteen that'll fuel you through the day, and with plenty of parking, there's room for everyone.
The services here are a lot better than down where I live. Where I live, it's all hard packed. Doesn't get any ruts or anything here. It's nice and soft and fluffy and ruts up nice.
I come out here a fair bit, do a bit of coaching with Ross Beaton out here. Track's always awesome to ride and good for testing and suspension, and yeah, there's plenty of reasons to come out to Ride Park.
Ride Park's been a very popular destination for all levels of riders. So on any given weekend, you could come out here and see a pro riding around, or an A-grader, or one of the juniors out here honing his skills. But the things that I've noticed most is, with the new intermediate track that's just opened, is a lot more fathers and mothers riding around with their kids. They can ride beside their kids and know that they're safe riding around on a track that's quite user-friendly.
I like that it caters for all the skill levels that come out here, because you've got the Pee-wee track up the top, and then you've got the main track for the guys that are a lot faster, so it's really good. So no matter what skill level you are, you can come out here and have fun and not worry about being too slow.
And of course, the main track is fantastic for those guys that really want to hone in their motocross skills. When you get here at the start of the day, it's perfectly groomed. By the end of the day, the main track really does cut up pretty rough and resembles a well-used motocross track. It's fantastic for those guys that are motocross riders and want to hone in on their rut skills. And of course, the jumps are large and offer plenty of thrills, but Rob makes sure that they're maintained correctly and that they're safe to jump. Now, having 6 tracks here, there's fun for everybody. But if something does go wrong, Rob has a qualified medic available on site every day they're open.
Yeah, it always gives you peace of mind knowing how dangerous the sport actually is, and having someone on hand is always good.
Now, it doesn't matter what level of rider you are, there's a track for everybody out here to come out and hone your skills. You might want to go from the intermediate track to the main track, or just from the main track up to the flat track and have a little bit of fun up there as well. Being only 45 minutes from Melbourne, you can come out and have a quick 2 hours on the bike, be satisfied and be home for dinner. Motorcycle parks have come a long way in the last couple of years, but the really good ones take a lot of time and effort and investment in machinery, just like this bad boy behind me, to prep their tracks. Now, Rob takes a lot of pride in maintaining and grooming his tracks each and every weekend for your enjoyment. So next time you're in Melbourne and you've got your bike hooked up, why don't you come down to Ride Park and check out how good it really is.